How to fix Shopify store redirects. So here from the homepage of Shopify, we want to click on settings in the bottom left corner and then go to apps and sales channels. Now from this option, apps and sales channels, we want to find online store here and just click on it. And after we have clicked on online store, you want to open the sales channels. So we'll open up this page for the sales channels, and from the left hand side we will simply go to navigation. So from navigation we will see this option for view URL redirects. So if we click on it, then it will show us a list of all of the redirect links which we have created or imported. So if you want to fix them, you will either delete them from the screen or you will click on create URL redirect, and here you will choose first the URL which you are going to redirect from, and then in the second tab you will paste the link which you want to transfer viewers over to. So this is where you redirect from, and this is the link that viewers will be redirected to. So after you have input this information right here, then you will simply click on save redirect, and hopefully this will fix the URL redirect issues on your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.